This is question number 11 of Kcse Mathematics, paper 1, 2023. And we are told that the equation of a curve is given by y is equals to x squared. Using trapezium rule with the four stripe, estimate the area enclosed by the curve. Y is equals to x squared. The lines x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 5 and the x-axis. Now, here you need to understand the trapezium rule. Trapezium rule, we say area is equals to, it is a half height, put the bracket, curly bracket, you take the first stripe plus the last stripe n, close the bracket, plus 2, then you add y1 plus y2 plus until you have y n minus 1. So that is the trapezium rule. Maybe you can make a sketch of what we have here. So we can, that is our, this is our x, y, this is our x, this is our y. From there, the graph of y is equals to x squared would appear like this. From experience, you know the graph of y is equals to x squared. And therefore, since we can say this is just a sketch, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. So we can draw the stripe and say that is the first one, the second one, the third one. So those are 4 stripes. Since we are told from x is equals to 1, x is equals to 5, and the x-axis. Now, using the equation or the function here, we can be able to get the values of x and y. So this is x and this is y. We are using y is equals to x squared. So x is equals to, when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 squared is 1. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 9. When x is 4, y is 16. And when x is 5, y is 25. Why are we doing this? So that we get the stripes that we have here. Now we can apply our formula and say area is equals to a half. What is the height of our expression? It is 1. That is from here to here is 1. So we multiply by 1, which will not make any difference. We put the bracket. The first one, when x is 1, y is 1. So we put 1. When x is 5, y is 25. From the values that we have generated here, we add. Now, here we put 2. The next one, the next stripe, y is 2, so we have 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus, no, we don't have, already we have made use of 25. So that means that this will give us what? A half multiplied by 26 plus, this will give us 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 16. So it is 2 multiplied by 29. And that will give us 13 plus 29 times 2 will give us 58. When you add up, here we have a half. So we have a half. So it is and here we have, we are supposed to have, no, this bracket here, I think we made a mistake there, is supposed to cover everything here, not just, so what this means is that from the trapezium rule, then a half. We have area is equals to a half, and now we have 26 plus 58. That is what we will get some of these numbers, and that will give us what? That will give us 84. So 84 multiplied by a half, that will give us 42 square units. So that is the approximated area of this, and by doing that, then you should be able to get those 4 marks. So here you need to remember what you learned in Form 4, approximation of area. You learned the trapezium rule and trapezoidal method. So that is what is required here. You need to remember the trapezium rule.